Hi beautiful, welcome back to another video and welcome to the channel. In today's video we have a very easy and quick eye makeup tutorial, and we're just going to get into it. Okay, make sure to like, comment and subscribe down below, and let us get into the video. I have a tape by the edge of the eye to help give this winged out and sharp effect on it. So first I have applied concealer as a base, then I'm going into a powder palette. I'm going to take a dark brown shade and I'm just going to put that at the outer V, and I'm also going to blend that into the crease. So I'm just tapping first before I go into use a swiping motion to blend out. So after I'm done applying that dark brown shade, I'm going to go in with a light brown and a blending brush, just blend out the edges to make sure the transition is very seamless. Okay, now I'm going back in with that same brush just to reinforce the colors and further blend it out more. Now I went in with a tiny pencil brush to take a dark shade to use that to create a smoky winged liner. I'm not doing anything too much. Then I'll go back in with that same blending brush that I used to pack on the brown to blend it out, because we're not doing anything too dramatic. We want the eyes to be as simple as possible. Okay, after I'm done blending, I'm going to go in with concealer and apply. And I lost the footage of this particular eye, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I did the left side of the eye. So after I went in with concealer to apply, I went in with a powder shade that is having this like a nude shade, and apply it on the crease before I went in with a gold shimmer eyeshadow to apply that on the lid. So for the shimmers, I am just packing it on the lid. I'm making sure I'm packing it so I will not get plenty fallout. Okay, so I'm packing it on. After that is done, I'll just go back in with that same brush to blend the edges of the around the shimmer. I'm going to make sure I blend it very, because I don't want any harsh lines. Now we're going in with eyeliner, and the eyeliner is by Kiss Beauty. I have the brow tutorial coming up and the full tutorial on how I achieve the skin work, so make sure to check out the video after you're done with this one. Link of the video will be down in the description bar. After I'm done with the liner, I'm going to go back in with that same brush to just blend out the edges of the brow, just to smudge it a tad bit. And after that, I'll go in to coat the lashes with mascara, and I did the false lashes off camera, and that is how we achieved this soft, simple 5-minute eye makeup look. Okay, if this video was helpful, go ahead and click the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and comment down below what other video you would like to see. And until the next video, make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye.